Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download PhotoLeap application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all you have to do is open up your Chrome browser. Once you have opened up your Chrome browser, go to the search bar and type in PhotoLeap free download for PC and hit enter. Just a reminder that PhotoLeap requires a third-party application to be installed in your PC. Then, after the page is loaded, click on the first link of the page. Then after the page of Memu Play is loaded, all you have to do is click on the Download PhotoLeap option. Once you have clicked on it and done few process, your application will be downloaded in your PC. After you have completed your download, and go to your this PC, then click on downloads. The application will be downloaded in your download folder. I have already installed this application in my PC and I hope you guys do the same. After the application is set up, the application will be appeared in your desktop. Double click on the application, then this kind of interface will be shown to you. After the application is loaded, this kind of another interface will be appeared in your screen. Then in the search menu, go ahead and type in PhotoLeap. Then press enter. Once this page is loaded, all you have to do is click on the install button. Then the application will be installed on your PC right away. Once the download is completed, then click on the open button. And there you go guys, the application is installed on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also click on the notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in next video.